2019 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, lane departure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.